In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clustered stacked column chart in Excel. To get started, open your Excel file and make sure the data you want to visualize is already organized and ready to use. This type of chart can be helpful when you want to compare grouped columns while also showing stacked values. So it's a useful option for presenting layered data in a way that still feels structured and easy to read. Once your file is open, highlight the data that you want to turn into the chart. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the full range correctly, including the relevant labels and values, because Excel will use that selection to build the chart automatically. If the wrong cells are selected, the chart may not display the way you expect, so it's worth double-checking before moving on. After your data is selected, go to the ribbon at the top of Excel and click the Insert tab. This is where Excel keeps all of its chart tools and visualization options. In the Insert tab, look for the option called Insert Combo Chart. Click that, and from the drop-down menu, choose Stacked Area, Clustered Column. As soon as you select that chart type, Excel will generate the chart for you. You'll now see a visual that combines clustered columns with an area layer behind them. The bars make it easier to compare values side by side, while the area layer adds an additional level of visual grouping in the background. This combination can be especially useful when you want to show two different kinds of comparisons in one chart without building it manually from scratch. At this point, the chart has been created. If needed, you can take a quick look at how the chart appears and make sure it matches the story you want your data to tell. Sometimes the default layout is already good enough, and other times you may want to make small formatting adjustments later, but the core chart is now in place. And that's it. You've successfully created a clustered stacked column chart in Excel. As a quick tip, if your chart looks confusing at first glance, go back and review the selected data range, since that's usually the main reason a chart doesn't appear quite right. With the correct data selected and the proper combo chart option chosen, Excel does most of the work for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes your chart creation process much easier.